You're watching San Diego's #1 source for news. This is Local 8 News at 7.
And coming up on Local 8 News, San Diegans with inflammatory acne now have a new way to get a clear complexion. We'll tell you how this light can help.
Recently approved by the FDA, a new treatment for inflammatory acne is now available in San Diego. It is called the Clear Light System, and it uses high-intensity light to clear up the problem. Makers say the light kills the bacteria inside the pimple, and it doesn't damage the skin. Joining us this morning to talk about how this works is Dr. Jeffry Schafer from the New Image Cosmetic Surgery Center located in Coronado. Dr. Schafer, thanks for being with us.
My pleasure, thank you.
So tell me about this treatment. You've been doing it on patients. How does it work?
Since January we've been using the machine. It's an intense pulse light. The machine emits a light beam that goes into the skin without harming it, and it kills the bacteria that produce acne.
Okay, we've got some video of the procedure being done. Tell our viewers what they can expect if they were to have this done. How many treatments do they have to undergo, and what is the treatment like? What do they experience?
This is a 15-minute treatment, and it's a series of 8, taking 4 weeks. It's painless. We do have to shield the eyes, but it's a very safe procedure. It doesn't have any of the side effects of dangerous medications that produce birth defects or antibiotics that produce side effects. So it's a very safe form of treatment compared to the traditional treatments.
And as far as the results, are they able to maintain the results, or do they have to keep sort of coming in and getting the treatments over time?
The standard sort of is an 80% improvement in 80% of the people. There's a majority of those people will be symptom-free, but there are people that have to come back in 4 to 6 months and repeat the treatment.
As we're looking at some before and after pictures, how much does it cost?
The series is $500.
Okay, and are insurance companies covering that right now?
It's not covered by insurance. It's considered a cosmetic procedure.
It's considered a cosmetic procedure, but you and I were talking earlier about acne and why it's important to treat it, because it can damage people physically and emotionally.
It produces lifelong scars for those people that have the severe forms of acne, and it's quite painful to remove the scars with either lasers or dermabrasion or surgery. And so it's much easier to prevent it than to treat the complications.
And what ages are safe for this? Can kids actually undergo this, or is this just for adults?
It's been approved down to the age of 14, and the typical acne is usually in teenagers, in adolescents, and then it goes on into the 20s and 30s in adulthood. Okay,
terrific. Well, thanks so much for coming in, Dr. Schafer, to tell us about this. It's a really nice option for people out there that are suffering from acne. If you'd like more information, you can log on to our website. It is kfmb.com. Click on websites mentioned in the newscast, and we will have a link to all that information.